I'm going to show you guys a quick way to tie in a peep so the thing will absolutely not move at all. So I'll start, I've got my peep marked where I want it. Get even ends, even tags on both sides of the string. I'll wrap it around a couple times. And then I will tie a constrictor knot. In the middle of that peep. Pull it tight. Now typically, like on my target setup or something like that, I would cut these two ends, burn them, and then tie on top and bottom here just to make sure it doesn't move up or down. But if you're going to go elk hunting or something in the woods and you want to make sure the thing, no matter what you catch on, isn't going to move, this is how I do that. So this side I'm going to take up that leg, and this side I'm going to take up that leg. And what I'm not going to do is leave any spaces there where if the peep moves, the pieces can come together. What I want to do is pack all that stuff in tight, so then if the peep happens to get pushed up, there's no place for that to go because they're serving top and bottom. So since I'm going to go up that way, I'm actually going to start on the down leg. Pull that in tight, so then you got kind of a cross there. And then I'm just going to wrap up. And I'm not going to worry about pulling it super tight yet, because whenever I finish this, that's what's going to get it pulled tight. Go about 10 or 12 wraps up before I start my back wrap. But I'll get my finger caught in there first. And we'll do one more, and then we'll do the back wrap. So I've got a good 1/4 inch of serving there. Now on my back wrap, I've got another piece of material I use cut, and I will lay that underneath, and then just do about 6 or 7 more wraps on top of that piece. I'll do one more. And I'll take the tag in. See, I got a loop on top. Take that tag in through. Hold on to that. I'm going to pull this through. Try not to pull too hard because I don't want to slip and pull my peep down yet. There we go, so I can pull that through. See, here's the loop that I tied, pulling the string through. Here's the tag in, coming over the top of it. So I'm not going to pull that tight yet, because I'm going to wait until I get the other side done so I can pull evenly so my peep doesn't move. So again, since this one's going to be going down, I'm going to start on the upside. Cross over the top of the peep. And work my way down. reason I like to serve like this is if I ever have to take this off. If I just did half hitches, I know some people like to do that, I'd have to cut every half hitch off, or cut and then untie every half hitch. This way, if I ever need to undo anything, I can cut or undo the top or bottom side and then get everything off just from that one cut, and keep my razor blade away from the string as much as possible, because accidents do happen. I've done it more than once myself. Say that about good. Get my piece of tag here. Apologize if I get in the way of the camera here as I'm doing this. Put that through the loop. Pull the other side. Apologize for getting in the way of the camera. Pull that loop through. And now I've got both sides done. Got one going up, one going down. I'm going to pull on those equally so nothing moves. Cinch that puppy down tight, and that thing, I don't care what you do, is not going to move, because you've got a lock on top, push down on top of the peep, and a lock on bottom, push down the bottom of the peep.